Hello viewers, many people have upgraded to iPadOS 18.3.1 but they are still facing battery issues on their iPad, maybe iPad 10th generation, iPad 9th generation, iPad Air M1, M2 or any other iPad. In this video, I will talk about what kind of battery life I am getting on my iPad 10th generation and also talk about the steps that you can adopt in order to save battery drainage on your iPad. There are various reasons behind battery drainage in iPad. In my iPad 10th generation, I am not facing any kind of battery drainage issue. Maybe I have formatted my device after iOS 18 and after that I faced no issue, be it battery drainage or lagging or any other issue in the screen like screen flickering or any other issue. So I can say that this is a very good update, that is iPadOS 18.3.1. The performance of iPad 10th generation was previously also very good, and in this update also I am getting very good battery life, as well as there is no screen flickering issue, and also there are many features. If I go into the storage section, iPad storage, you can see that only 9 GB is available in my device, and if I go into iPadOS, actually 10.88 GB is occupied in iPadOS section and system data is 6.28 GB. And in my iPad I have stored about 30 GB of photos and videos, and as I edit videos on InShot app, you can see that 2 GB is occupied in InShot app, and some of the apps that I use frequently are occupying most of the storage. As you can see, YouTube is 1.65 GB, Chrome is 1.31 GB, Docs, Amazon, Netflix and many other apps. So this is the storage scenario in my iPad 10th generation. And if I go into the battery section, as you can see here, today I have used it 3 hours and 14 minutes and I have charged the device at around 11 AM. So after that I got actually 76% batteries left. So let me give you an idea. Actually I have used 32 minutes, then 19 minutes, then 2 minutes, then 51 minutes, then 7 minutes. So the total of usage after 100% charge is about 2 hours plus. So you can judge that the battery life is not so bad. After some days I will give another update about the battery life and the battery drainage. In idle condition I see that there is no battery drainage in my iPad 10th generation. So you have to do some setting changes. Suppose if you go into general and if you click on background app refresh, you can see that I have disabled the apps that I don't actually use, and I don't want background app refresh in those apps. So here is the list. You can see that most of the apps are turned off in background app refresh toggle. So if you don't need any app, I will suggest you to turn off these settings so that it will not run in the background and it will not drain your battery unnecessarily. Okay, so this is the step number 1. Step 2, what you can do, you can go into settings and turn off those apps that you don't actually want notification from. Actually you can see that I have turned off this notification, then backdrops I have turned it on, and books turned it on. After that there is calendar, I don't want the notification to pop up, so I have turned it off. So set your priorities, which app you want notification from, and after that if you don't use any app or don't want any notification, turn off those notifications. It will save your battery considerably. After that, in step 3, what you can do, you have to go into privacy and security, and after that you have to go into location services. Okay, So I have turned on the location services, but I have turned off these settings. As you can see here, these settings are turned off, and it actually saves a lot of batteries. So you can use this method also, turn off all these toggle if you don't use them. I generally don't use Apple merchant identification compass calibration, so I kept it turned off, and after that I am really getting very good battery life. I think you will also get very good battery life if you choose these steps. So these will considerably save your battery life, also battery drainage issue. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.